Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we are going to solve this given trigonometric equation sine of x plus sine of 2x plus sine of 3x equals to 0. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started with the solution. Before we proceed, let's go ahead and rearrange these terms. I'm going to put this sine of 3x and sine of x together, as you can see in this next equation. And now let's focus on these first two terms, sine of 3x plus sine of x. And now let's recall this sum to product identity. Sine of alpha plus sine of beta could be written as 2 times sine of alpha plus beta divided by 2 times cosine of alpha minus beta divided by 2. Now if I call this part 3x as our alpha and this x as our beta, then we can apply this identity on this part. So therefore this could be written as 2 times sine of 3x plus x divided by 2 times cosine of 3x minus x divided by 2. And then I'm going to write down this part as well. I can write plus sine of 2x equals to 0. And now let's go ahead and simplify this part. 3x plus x divided by 2 could be written as 4x divided by 2. And this could be reduced to simply 2x. And likewise, let's focus on this part as well. This is 3x minus x is 2x divided by 2. So this could be reduced to simply x. So therefore, this equation could be written as 2 sine of, this is going to become simply 2x times cosine of x, and then plus sine of 2x equals to 0. And now we can see this sine of 2x and sine of 2x is in common. So therefore we can factor out sine of 2x, and we are ended up with simply 2 cosine of x plus 1 equals to 0. And now we can see that these two factors are equal to 0, so we can separate them. I can write sine of 2x equal to 0, and on this other side 2 cosine of x plus 1 equal to 0 as well. And now let's focus on this very first equation. So we can write this one as 2x equal to sine inverse of 0. And we know that this sine inverse of 0 is simply k times pi, where k is our integer. So therefore we can write 2x equals to k times pi, where k is our integer. Now let's go ahead and divide both sides by 2. So our x value turns out to be k pi divided by 2. And now let's focus on this equation on the right hand side. Let's move this one on the right hand side. So this could be written as 2 cosine of x equals to negative 1. Let's divide both sides by 2. So cosine of x turns out to be negative 1 divided by 2. So therefore x is going to be cosine inverse of negative 1 divided by 2. And now the value of cosine inverse of negative 1 over 2 is 2 pi divided by 3 plus 2k pi. Once again, k is our integer. So therefore our x value turns out to be 2 pi divided by 3 plus 2k pi. And here are our solutions. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.